A story about strength in unity. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a group of curious animals. They often gathered near an old, wise owl to listen to stories and seek advice. One bright morning, as the sun peeked through the trees, the animals assembled around the wise owl.
Good morning, dear friends. Today, I will share a tale about the power of unity. The animals nestled closer, eager to listen. In a nearby village, there were 4 animals: a rabbit, a squirrel, a deer, and a tortoise. They had different strengths and weaknesses, but were good friends. The rabbit, known for his speed, said, "I am the fastest. No one can catch me." The squirrel, with her agility, chirped in, "But I can climb trees better than anyone." The deer nodded gracefully, "I have strong legs to leap and run swiftly." The tortoise, slower but determined, said, "I may not be as fast, but I am steady and persistent." One day, a flood struck the village. The animals were trapped, searching for a way to safety. "I'll run and find high ground," exclaimed the rabbit. "I'll climb the tallest tree," scurried the squirrel. "I'll leap across the river," leaped the deer. But the flood's force was too much, and each animal found themselves struggling in their own way. The tortoise explained, "My slowness might help us think carefully about our actions." He called out everyone and said, "Wait, let's combine our strengths and work together." Hearing this, the others paused and considered the tortoise's words. The rabbit, squirrel, and deer joined forces with the tortoise. The rabbit guided with them with his speed. The squirrel found the safest path in trees. The deer carried smaller animals on its back, and the tortoise, though slow, directed them wisely. Just like these animals, when we combine our strengths and work together, we can overcome any obstacle. The animals nodded, understanding the lesson. They thanked the wise owl and returned to their homes, carrying with them the valuable lesson of unity. Moral of the story: unity and teamwork can help overcome challenges.
Please do subscribe. Thank you.